Imagine you've spent your life building a legacy, but without the right plan in place, everything you've worked for could be left to the hands of the courts. Or worse, become the center of family disputes. Stay tuned to learn how you can take control of your future and give your loved ones the peace of mind they deserve. Hello, I'm Cindy Lundberg, Financial Advisor and Marketing Director here at Verde Capital Management. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that often gets overlooked by financial advisors, and that's estate planning. If you're wondering why it's important and how to get started, you're in the right place. Let's break it down together. So what exactly is estate planning? At its core, an estate plan is a comprehensive strategy that outlines how your assets will be managed and distributed after you're gone. But it's more than just a will. It's about making sure your wishes are respected, your family's protected, and your legacy is preserved. Estate planning is broken down into 5 key areas. Who will make your financial decisions? Who will make your healthcare decisions? Who will care for your children? Who gets your assets? And how will those assets be distributed? These questions are the foundation of a solid estate plan, and addressing them ensures you have control over what happens to your estate. Now, you might be asking, why do I need an estate plan? The truth is, without one, important decisions could end up in the hands of the wrong people, or even the court system. Let's break down 3 reasons why estate planning is essential. Number 1, for control. An estate plan allows you to make decisions now so there are no surprises later. You decide who gets what and how. For privacy. Without a trust, your assets go through probate, which becomes public record. A trust, however, keeps your assets and your wishes private. And then for peace of mind. Life is unpredictable. With a comprehensive estate plan, you can ensure that both you and your loved ones are protected in any situation. So, what exactly goes into an estate plan? There's a will. This legal document outlines your wishes regarding the distribution of your property and the care of any minor children. Remember, a will goes through a probate court. Trust. A trust allows you to transfer assets to a trustee who will manage them for the benefit of your chosen beneficiaries. Trust can help avoid probate and provide more control over how and when your assets are distributed. And then a medical directive, also known as medical power of attorney. This document designates someone to make healthcare decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. There's also a durable power of attorney. This allows you to appoint someone to handle your finances and assets if you become incapacitated. This can include managing investments, handling real estate transactions, and bills. At Verde Capital Management, we've reimagined the estate planning process to make it more accessible and affordable. So traditionally, estate planning has been seen as expensive and time-consuming, but it doesn't have to be that way. A trust-based estate plan through traditional methods can cost upwards of $4,950. However, through our partnership with Trust and Will, we offer a comprehensive trust-based estate plan for as low as $389 with discounts available for our clients. We believe that protecting your legacy shouldn't break the bank. If you're ready to get started, we've made the process simple and straightforward. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your plan is customized to meet your needs. So estate planning might seem overwhelming, but it's one of the most important steps you can take to secure your future and the future of those you love. So if you're ready to get started, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Take care, and we'll see you soon in the next video.